Why?
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Hawkins again. Let's see, we're in the 5th week of learning already. I hope you guys are learning stuff at home and you're trying really hard. I know that it can be tough sometimes to work with your mom and dad or to just work at home and be online, but just know whatever you're putting your effort into, it's working, okay? You're going to be learning. And when you do get back to the classroom, you're already going to know a bunch of stuff, okay? So first thing I want to do is we're going to start working with something called sight words. Why do you think they call them sight words? What does that word sight have to do with anything? The word sight goes with your eyes. So here's how we spell that, sight words. And these are words that you are just going to want to recognize because in kindergarten reading, kindergarten, first, second, and third grade, there are so many sight words that if you just memorize these words, don't try to sound them out, you memorize them, you will be a much better reader. Because then you'll get to a hard word, you'll be able to take your time and sound them out. Some of these you cannot sound out. But so what we do when we teach our sight words to kindergartens is we sing the sight words. Here we go. A and away, big blue. So I want you guys to try to do it with me, okay? So it's not like super fancy singing, but I know you can do it. Sing with me. A and away, big blue. One more time. A and away, big blue. So here's the letter A. You'll see that like 5 million times in your reading. You'll see the letter and all over the... Now you can actually sound out and like and. You can't sound out away though because this AY kind of messes the sounding out up. So away, big. Big you can sound out, but that's also a word that you see a lot in the first and second and third grade. So we want you just to memorize that one. And blue, the color blue, is also a word that you can't really sound out easily because that UE, well, the E makes the U say its name. So you have to know some of those rules, which we haven't taught you yet. But some of you probably already recognize those words. But we're going to sing it again one more time. A and away, big blue. Oops. A and away, big blue. So we're going to just start singing these every week. I'm going to give you 5 more words and we'll review the last 5 and then we'll add 5 more. So that's one of the things that we're going to do. Miss Becky's going to come around. The other thing we're going to do is we have a little worksheet. And look, Mrs. Hawkins laminated it for you. That means I put that plastic on it. Why do you think Mrs. Hawkins put plastic on it? That's right, Peanut's down here taking a nap, but he said to me, because I want you to practice it more than one time. So what we want to do is, you're going to write your words, A and away, big blue, and I'm going to show you how you do that. And then I'm going to erase it, and the next day I'm going to get up after I do my 10-frame game, and I'm going to do it one more time. And I'm going to practice it and practice it and practice it until I can just read those words without any help at all. So this way, this is going to help you put it into your brain. The song helps put it into your brain in a different way. Writing it helps put it in your brain in a different way. And then on the back side here, we have another, you have to find the words. So you're going to find every A that you can. And you're going to circle them, okay? So I'm going to show you both of those. Miss Becky's going to come around so she can watch me. And like a good writer, I'm going to put my hand on my paper so that it doesn't shift around, all right? And then I'm going to start by singing the words. A and away, big blue. I'm going to do that every time because that's how I'm going to remember it. And then I'm going to, starting at the top, I'm going to do my circle. I'm going to remember the lessons that Miss Becky's been giving me. That's the frontward circle and the skinny line. And then over here, I'm going to go A. And I'm going to do it a few times. If this is really hard in the beginning, you could just do it one time. It's okay. But because it's not that hard for me, I can do it a bunch of times, okay? And I know that the more I practice, the better I'm going to get, okay? Then I read the word and I'm going to start my circle. Taking my time, and then I'm going to write and. Oops, my marker's running out. That's okay. Miss Becky has another one right here for me. She's so efficient. Okay. And okay, we've got, so you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to do it with all the words. A and away, big blue. And see how I took my time? And then when I'm done, I'm going to, I don't know what I did with my, can you hand me that? Miss Becky's going to just hand me my little handy dandy wiper. I'm just going to use this. And I'm going to wipe it clean after I show my mom how nicely I did it. Or my dad. And then I'm going to wipe it clean, and then tomorrow I'm going to be able to do it again, okay? So practice, that's a writing practice for this week and a sight word practice. Then on the back side, there's this little game where you have to find the A and away big blue words. So I'm going to look for the A, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to circle, or X or whatever you want. I'm going to use my big marker, but you use your little marker because it should still be working. A, and they're all different fonts, so they don't all look like that A. I'm going to circle all the ones that I can see. A and A, okay? And then I'm going to do the same for and then I'm going to see, oh, there's some words that have the word and in it. If I want, I can circle the words, the and in that. This is wand, this is panda. But I see the and in panda. I could circle them like that. Or if I'm just beginning, just circle the and words, okay? Does it matter? Now you want somebody in your house to check these for you to make sure you did them right, okay? All right, and then you're gonna do away and big and blue. And that's how you're gonna do this. Then watch, I'm gonna just erase these, because if I do this every single day, I am really going to be able to recognize my sight words, okay? So I'm hoping that you're going to do it at least 4 times in the week, this little worksheet, okay? Start on Monday, and then we're going to learn A and away, big blue. Okay, see you later. Bye.